Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today guys? I hope you are fine in the midst of corona pandemic situation now. Always healthy and always good inside protection. And don't forget to stay safe. First, let me introduce myself to all of you. My name is Rahi Fajriani. You can call me Rahayu. I'm 18 years old. I live in Balaraja with my parents, my sister, and my younger brother. I'm the one student of Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University, Faculty of Economic and Business, majoring in management, and now I'm 2 semester. In this video, to complete my final exams, English Economic, for make video about business plan. But before that, I will to tell you about corona pandemic and what is coronavirus. First, coronavirus is a large family of virus found in human and animal that cause respiratory infection such as flu. The symptom of coronavirus are fever, cough, and shortness of breath. And then, what is corona pandemic? A pandemic describes an infectious disease when we see significant and ongoing person-to-person spread in multiple countries around the world at the same time. Because that the government secret the regulation in corona pandemic situation, such as first, stay at home, don't go out if it's not important, always implement a healthy life, always washing a hand with water and soap, always use a hand sanitizer, always wearing a mask when you going out of the house, and always eat a healthy food, and last, always keep your distance with the others. The coronavirus not just happen in Indonesia, but it's happening in all over the world. This condition for everyone to stay at home, isolate themselves to avoid the virus. Even now, large scale of social restriction have been implemented in several regions that fall into the red zone category. The pandemic requires people to adopt a new work pattern. For example, work from home. Students and school children must study online, even though there are many activities that have to run usual, but we can still take lesson from this incident by taking business opportunities. And what the consequence for the economic in Indonesia? The impact of coronavirus or COVID-19 seems to affect all sectors, especially in economy. The World Bank project that Indonesia economy growth will be depressed at 2.1%. This is due to the continued spread of COVID-19, both domestically and abroad. Bank Indonesia has also revised its economic growth projection to below 5%, which is usually able to 5.2%. Meanwhile, Finance Minister Mrs. Sri Mulyani said in Indonesia was quite hit by the spread of COVID-19, not only in the human health sector, but also had disrupt the health of the global economy. Mrs. Sri Mulyani estimates that Indonesia economic growth in the worst case scenario could reach minus 0.4%. Until now, there's no vaccine yet to treat someone infected with the virus. The best way to protect ourselves is to avoid less exposed to the virus, because the government secret regulation of new normal life. And then, what is the new normal life? Team leader expert for the acceleration of COVID-19 handling, Mr. Wiku Adhisa Smita said, new normal is a change in behavior to continue carrying normal activities, but by adding a health protocol to prevent COVID-19 transmission. According to Wiku, the main principle of the new normal life itself is that it can adjust to life patterns. The reason is there are rules mentioned in the health protocol to maintain social distance by reducing physical contact with others. The community side Wiku will a new normal life until discovery of the vaccine and can be used as an antidote to the coronavirus. Some experts in the World Health have confirmed that the first possibility of finding the vaccine is in 2021. This means that the public must live a new normal until next year, but even more. Therefore, behavior change will be the key to optimism in dealing with COVID-19 by implementing health protocols as recommended by the government, or what is known as the new normal. Okay guys, I hope everything will be okay. I hope everything will be okay. I hope COVID-19 will be end soon and we all get through it well, and always work inside protection. Okay guys, next I will to tell you about my business plan. But before that, what is business plan? Business plan is a document that comprehensively demonstrates the ability of your business to sell enough of its product or service to make a satisfactory profit and be attractive to potential bakers. And then my business plan. First, preliminary company name is Corp Mom Ryan. Business files is food product. Types of product is tofu nugget. Address in Benda Village, Sukamulya Subdistrict, Tangerang District, Banten. Nah, telepon number is 0895 0875 0052. And then first, identification of business opportunities In life that is increasingly sophisticated, business in the culinary field is a business that will never die until whenever. A lot of food products have sprung up with various innovation and creativity that attract food that can be created and can be sold at the high price. Mm, and then one of foods that is easy to create it is tofu with the high enough protein, but the public cannot always consume the tofu um, that are mediocre. For that, we innovate tofu by being made into healthy and nutritious and delicious nuggets. And then second, product description. Tofu nugget made from basic ingredients are tofu. The way to make them is not much different from nuggets general, and the raw materials is are easy to get anywhere. This tofu based product is mixed with ingredients another ingredients such as flour, and then ingredients is thin and ready to sell. Next, business background. The reason we sell this tofu product is because there are no food shop around us. Another reason is that many people don't like tofu, even though tofu has a million benefits, such as can inhibit aging process, prevent breast cancer, and etc. And then therefore we decided to innovate by making it a healthy nugget, then selling it to the public so that those who don't like tofu like it and want to consume it. And next, product goals. First, to find additional income from this product, to make people who don't like tofu be like it, because tofu is packed with different innovation. Next, to cultivate eating healthy food, to distribution the hobby of cooking, and as a practice of lectures that have been obtained in campus. And then segmentation of tofu nuggets product, which is segmentation for the sale of our products, namely the entire community of all age, ranging from children until elderly, because the product we sell can be consumed by all people except for those who abstain from processed nuts. And then more specification, market segmentation, namely the lower middle class, because in terms of economy they are still low but require high nutritional intake. And second, targeting in the product of tofu nugget is housewives who are busy, and then families who like snacks. Next, price of tofu nuggets. The price of tofu nuggets product is we sell 2000 per 2000 of one piece, and 15,000 of pack, and one pack consists of 10 pieces. Okay guys, next promotion tofu nuggets. First, we sell product directly by going around the residence, the nearest school or the nearest campus, or can be said with a door-to-door system. And then we also sell it online through social media like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, blog, and etc. And then we also sell it by setting up a booth near the traditional market around where we live. And next, distribution of tofu nuggets product is requires good product introduction to community. People can get the product by ordering directly from where we produce and through our stand, or maybe also can order online through our social media. Okay guys, enough for my business plan. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.